friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you one very interesting thing we have in Excel. We can update the stocks detail in Excel on a live basis and it will pick the values from Microsoft Bing. Whatever is going on in the market as per the Microsoft Bing, it will pick the details and it will populate in Excel. You can track all your shares you have in your portfolio on a live basis. Here we have the refresh button. You can simply click on the refresh all, it will automatically gets updated. So let's start how to update your portfolio in Excel. Here we have a list of 8 companies. You can select all these companies data and then click on stocks. It will automatically create data card along with the company name. If you click on the data card, you will see all these details related to that company. And if you want to see, instead of like data card, if you want to see all these details in the table format, you can type equal and we want to see, let's say 52-week high. We have so many details available here. So let's say 52-week high, I want to see 52 weeks low. Let's type this 52 weeks low. Select this company for open price, and for latest price you can type price. And if you want to see market capitalization, we can also see this. Select all these, drag it down, adjust the column width. Here we go. So you can see we have all these details for all these companies. And if you want to refresh, you can simply refresh all. It is refreshing. You can see the sign is changing. It is refreshing right now. And this details is as per Microsoft Bing, and this functionality is available only in Microsoft 365. Let's verify one of the companies. For Apple Inc, we are saying that the list price is 146.39. Let's go to Microsoft Bing. Here we have Apple Inc on Bing and the price is 146.39. And let's say 52-week high is 150. Let's verify this. We have the same number and high price is 149. This is the day high. So let's say 50 weeks low is 89.14. The same we have in the table. Market capitalization is 2.44. The same we have in the dataset. So this way you can update your stock detail in Excel, and it is quite useful when you want to track all what exactly is going with your portfolio. So you can track on a live basis from market, and this functionality is available only in Microsoft 365. Thank you so much for watching our video. I hope you all have liked this video. If yes, then please like, comment and subscribe our YouTube channel for more interesting videos in future. Thank you so much. Bye bye.